So, new week, new vlog. It's actually Friday today, which is quite unusual for doing a workshop. So it's actually Friday the 12th of December 2025, and I'm actually, look, C3PO, he's got his Christmas hat on.
I'm going to regret this.
See, it's all kicking off. Merry Christmas. The jumper's coming out. So we're actually, these aren't my actual glasses, by the way, because these look a bit, I don't know, they're not bad. Vision Express made a mistake and gave me the wrong frames. So, but anyway, we're just in the process. I've turned the volume off, the mics off, so no one can hear. But we're just in the process of doing a live workshop, the second to the last one of the year. So we're actually painting a stained glass window. I've got this image that I've created on Photoshop over there, which I'm going to now paint here with a group. Very busy workshop. About 160, 70 people are booked in total from different parts of the world. There's people in here from America and all sorts of things, so it's really good. So if you've never had a go at a virtual workshop, do make sure you have a go. This is the studio where I do them at the minute. We are moving to a new studio at some point in the new year, so there'll be a slightly different theme to how we do the workshops. This is a stained glass window that I did for Halloween, to give you some idea, on one of these workshops. All the previous ones are actually available, so you can go and purchase them if you want to. But yeah, so it's quite exciting really. So let's see what else is happening this week. I am having a bit of time out with the family, so I'll sort of touch in and say a few little bits as we go through. We're going to be going on a festive steam train tomorrow. That's why I'm doing the workshop on Friday. We're going to be taking the kids to see Santa, all sorts of cool stuff. But in the office, which is sort of over there, Caitlin's in there doing all your orders at the minute, so thanks for that. See you in a bit. So there we go, sketch done. Keep it simple. Very straightforward. Sketch in some respects, you know, but very stylised because it's a stained glass window like the pumpkin one that we did in the autumn. It's that very sort of stylised look to this. Joyce, in the comments here, you said that you felt your snowman was a little bit large. I thought you were telling me a joke. My snowman's too big. I'm waiting for the punchline, but you didn't. And you've got space. You've got space at the top to play with, so you can extend your actual sketch if you need to. So pretty basic. So snow, sky, tree, snowman, present. It's going to be a good one. Once this is done, I want to now add this to Watercolor TV so you can download it and also send it across to everyone that's booked into the workshop. Well, this is shaping up to be a beautiful one. This is the stained glass window here. We're just in the process of putting these little diagonal lines on to make it look like glass. It's been quite a lengthy one. We started at 10 AM. It's currently 3 o'clock, so it's gone on for quite a while, this one, but it's a nice one. Thoroughly enjoyed it. Nice bit of escapism. So we've got a very small batch of the Seascape books in. We've only got like 5 or 6 copies, so we will be sending these out to the first 5 people that actually ordered. These are going to be signed and numbered, and we do put certificates of authenticity in with these. So if you've been waiting for this book, it's not officially released. Have a look on Amazon, you'll see it's not officially released until the 21st of January, but we're going to get it out hopefully before Christmas to everybody. We're just waiting for them being delivered from the publishers. We kind of get that first edition, quite a special thing really. So let us know if you've received yours, and let us know if you are enjoying it as well. Books, yes, brand new, ready to paint in 30 minutes. Watercolor Seascapes has arrived nice and early from Search Press. Now these, a lot of people have pre-ordered these. We've got the certificates ready to go in with them. This is not officially out till January the 21st. We've got them early, so we will be sending these, fingers crossed, very tightly that you'll get them before the end of the year. But yeah, they're here. The first one out of the box. And just like I said, I'm just getting the plates signed here, so there's quite a lot to do. And these will go inside the book, and then there'll be a certificate of authenticity, but these are the first edition, which is quite nice. These are being sent the week prior to Christmas to the majority of people, so depending on the postal service, they should be with you. Number 1, ready to go. Boxes at the ready. The busy season is the 18th, 19th of December. These are the first batch of books going out. The office is absolutely crazy, so I'm bringing them up to the local post office to drop them off. So these should be with you, hopefully very soon. There's a lot of these to go out. So if you've been waiting for the watercolour paper getting back in stock, here it is. We've just taken delivery of 600 and yes, 650 pads of this amazing watercolour paper, which I've designed and developed. This is my own brand of paper that I've had an involvement in the design and development of, so I'm really proud of this paper. And here it is being dropped off, a huge pallet with 650 pads of paper. So it'll be on its way to you very soon. Can't guarantee pre-Christmas, but it'll be there soon. And if you'd like to order yourself some of this paper, it's now available online, fully in stock on watercolour.tv, exclusive to us. Go to the website, go to the art shop, and yes, there's a category for paper and books, and that's where you can pick up your pad of this exclusive special Matthew Pond watercolour paper. Now, it isn't a block. What the block means is that it's already stuck to a board, so you don't need to stick it to a board. There's a little area where you can separate the paper on the corner where there's no seal, so it's a clever thing. So it's the 12th of December. We've come to the caravan. I actually do a lot of work from here. It's like a bit of a second home really. It's very quiet. It's like 7 AM, but look at the beautiful mist. Absolutely beautiful. Gorgeous frost everywhere. The moon is still out. There it is. It's a scene from The Fog. Jacob, save yourself! Quick, go, run! Whoa! And what's hiding behind? Look. Look at that.
The Polar Express.
That's a beauty. Isn't it? Magically came out of the mist.
Is that the number of the Polar Express?
Yeah. It's the Santa special, mate, that.
This is the number of the Polar Express.
North Yorkshire Moors Railway, Santa special, the Polar Express. What's it for you?
Santa Express.
Santa Express?
Yeah.
Wow, let's go and check it out. Let's find the yellow brick road.
It's got the Santa Express in there. What is it? It's got the Santa Express in there.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history. These ones, this one.
Oh, you like me? Who's sitting with him?
Big Merry Christmas. 1, 2, 3, go.
Merry Christmas!
Amazing. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas!
Bye, yeah.
Thank you for riding the Santa Express.
You got to say a big Merry Christmas.
Until we meet again, may your homes be merry, your hearts be light, and your stockings brimming with love.
Now.
Goodbye.
Merry
and
Christmas, go.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Woo!
Jingle bells, Batman smells.
Of course, if you do like steam trains, the Polar Express, I love painting steam trains. Watercolor TV has actually got a tutorial that you can check out, which is a beautiful steam train in the snow, a great one for the festive season or anytime. I do really enjoy painting the snow scenes, and you can see here's a little preview of the video. It's about a 90-minute tutorial you can check out. All the W's watercolor.tv, and this is part of your membership to Watercolor TV. So a beautiful one. You got a permanent hot cup of tea on? That's pretty cool, isn't it, Theo? Wow. Do you know what temperature is in there?
1600, is it, or something?
Wow.
1600 Fahrenheit when it's really hot. The only thing I can remember visibly, it's hotter than the melting temperature of the metal around it. So
That's crazy, isn't it?
Other side, that's why you need water at the other side. That's so important to have the
So
water.
without that is yeah.
It's cooling it. So if that water disappears, that melts and it explodes.
Crazy, wow.
You can see the front of it just. See it about 3 metres away.
Hi. Finished, and what a way to finish 2025 painting workshops. We've produced this wonderful watercolour. Look at the detail in it. It really is lovely right through from the tree to the people. It's been great. Really enjoyed doing it, and thank you so much for taking part in it. It's been a pleasure, and that kind of concludes my painting mission for 2025. Looking forward to 2026, of course. Got an exciting announcement coming up in the new year in the form of watercolour and art and watercolour TV and all sorts of stuff. So make sure you join me for that on the 11th of January 2026. We're going to paint this wonderful picture here. So just finished the last workshop of 2025. It's been a wonderful one to do. It's the lovely sort of London Charles Dickens Christmas Carol kind of scene. Really, really nice one to do. Thoroughly enjoyed it. That's the one I did this time last year. It was a local scene here in Bolsover in Derbyshire. So just want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas. Have a wonderful New Year as well. And we'll be back in 2026 for some more exciting watercolour action. See you then. So here we are, it's the 22nd of December. I'm just, I always do this every Christmas. I send a free tutorial out to people that, you know, maybe or possibly just want something to do at Christmas, you know, a bit of art. So I've put together this tutorial, which would normally cost £15. I put it together, and this is going to go out on the 22nd to all the database, everybody, all the members, all the non-members, so everybody can enjoy this free watercolour tutorial on Watercolor TV for a limited time. Now today is proving to be quite a busy day because one of the staff members has actually called in sick, so I've got to shoot over to the other location, which is about 15 minutes away, pick up a load of the new watercolour blocks and send as many as we can out pre-Christmas. But if you've ordered the new blocks, just bear in mind that you're probably not going to get them now till the new year. So, but all the blocks are in stock. So if you check out the watercolour paper, we've got the blocks here. Back in stock, we've got hundreds and hundreds of them. So make sure you check those out and have a wonderful Christmas. Yes, it's on the clamp. Just on my way down to the other location, the warehouse, office / studio. I'll be giving you a tour of that at some point soon. We're just on his way down. I've got to pick, it's the 22nd of December. I've got to go down and pick up Festive jumper. I've got to go down and pick up a load of watercolour blocks. They've just been delivered, literally, and I've got to go and collect some because we've got quite a lot of people that have ordered them. You're not going to get them till the new year, the office is going to be closed from today's the last day, and then we open again on the 2nd of January. So it's all good fun. Pre-Christmas chaos. Merry Christmas. Hi, Matthew Palmer here. Welcome to my studio, and I just want to wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and thank you for your support over the past year. 2025 has been a wonderful artistic year. We've done so much wonderful things. We've painted everything from stained glass windows to beautiful animals to gorgeous landscapes to amazing seascapes. We've had new books come out. Watercolor TV's had so much content on there. The Facebook group's gone from strength to strength. We've done wonderful TV shows. It's been an amazing 2025, and I can't thank you enough. From the bottom of my heart, I'm saying thank you for all your support, and again, have a wonderful Christmas. Now let's keep the paint flowing right through into 2026. We've got an amazing year, some exciting new things coming up in 2026, including massive updates to Watercolor TV, loads of new content, exciting new studios. We've got an app being launched as well for Watercolor TV members. So Watercolor TV is going from here to here to here. It's going up another level. So make sure you stay with me through 2026. Of course, loads of cool workshops. We are approaching 6 years of teaching live virtual watercolor workshops, and Watercolor TV is approaching 18 years. It's amazing. So again, thank you so much. Have a wonderful festive season, a great Christmas, a wonderful new year, and I'll see you in 2026. Have a good one.